there, it's Carol from Everspruce Home Inventory app. Here we discuss home organization and give you tips on how to use the Everspruce Home Inventory app. Today we're diving into a topic that's perfect for the new year, decluttering. But don't worry, we're keeping it super simple and kid-friendly. So let's jump right in. Now, when it comes to decluttering, it's all about taking small steps. We're going to focus on 3 areas that you can tackle before 2024. First up, the closet, where we're turning cleaning into a family adventure. This is where you can get the whole family involved. I know how tricky it can be to get kids and teens excited about cleaning, but trust me, this is going to be fun. So gather your helpers and let's dive in. Give each child or your teen a bag, and they are on a mission to find 10 items in their closet that they're ready to pass on and give to another child who can use the items. I just filled up my bag and I feel great. Look for clothes, toys, or games that they have outgrown and don't use much anymore. As you find items, think about how they could bring joy to someone else. Now let's move on to the kitchen. It's like a mystery sometimes. Take a look in your drawers. How many spatulas and spoons do we really need? I get it. They can be tempting, especially those cute ones you've received as gifts or spotted while shopping. But let's be honest, do you really need 5 to 7 spoons and spatulas? Take a moment to assess your kitchen utensils. Keep the essentials, the ones you use regularly, and maybe that one special spatula that brings smiles to your face. The others, consider passing them on to someone who might give them a new home. It's a simple way to declutter your space and make your kitchen more efficient. And now let's move on to your home office or your desk. Tackling the pile of papers on your desk can be a daunting task, but breaking it down makes it more manageable. Begin by sorting through kids' school projects, keeping sentimental or particularly meaningful ones, and recycling the rest. When it comes to junk mail, discard what's unnecessary and create a designated spot for more important documents. Ask yourself, what do I really want to keep? This question helps prioritize and declutter, leaving you more organized with a functional space. There you have it, 3 areas you can easily declutter before 2024. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed these decluttering tips, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Until next time, happy organizing.